Did you know that some hedge funds are using AI algorithms to analyze millions of data points in a fraction of a second, giving them a competitive edge in the stock market? The world of finance is rapidly changing, and one of the most significant trends shaping its future is the rise of artificial intelligence. From high-frequency trading to portfolio management, AI is being increasingly used to gain a competitive edge in the stock market. Today, we're going to explore the power of AI in the stock market and how it's revolutionizing the way we invest. One thing is clear: the traditional human-based approach to trading is no longer enough. The sheer volume of data available, combined with the speed and complexity of modern markets, means that humans are struggling to keep up. That's where AI comes in, providing a level of analysis and insight that was previously unimaginable. As we delve deeper into the world of AI and finance, it's clear that this technology has the potential to fundamentally change the way we approach investing. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, the use of AI can help you make more informed decisions and ultimately achieve greater returns. The importance of AI in finance can't be overstated. It's no longer a nice-to-have, but a must-have for anyone serious about staying ahead in the market. So, what challenges are investors facing, and how can AI help address them? Investors today face a daunting task: trying to make sense of the vast amounts of data available and using that information to make informed investment decisions. It's a challenge that's only getting tougher as the market continues to evolve and adapt. Traditional methods of analysis, such as fundamental and technical analysis, are still useful, but they have their limitations. They are often time-consuming and can only provide a limited view of the market. Furthermore, the sheer complexity of modern markets means that it's almost impossible to account for every variable. This is where AI comes in, providing a level of analysis and insight that was previously unimaginable. One of the biggest challenges investors face is the emotional aspect of trading. Fear, greed, and other emotions can all too easily cloud our judgment, leading to impulsive decisions that can ultimately cost us dearly. Additionally, the speed and volatility of modern markets means that investors need to be able to react quickly to changing circumstances. This is where AI can help, providing a level of speed and agility that's unmatched by human traders. Another challenge investors face is the need for transparency and accountability. With AI, investors can get a clear understanding of what's driving their investment decisions and make adjustments as needed. The use of AI in finance is still a relatively new concept, and many investors are still unsure of how to use it effectively. However, one thing is clear: AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach investing. In the past, investors have relied on traditional methods of analysis, such as fundamental and technical analysis. While these methods are still useful, they are limited in their ability to analyze large amounts of data. AI, on the other hand, can analyze millions of data points in a fraction of a second, providing a level of insight and analysis that was previously unimaginable. Machine learning, a subset of AI, is particularly useful in finance. By analyzing large amounts of data, machine learning algorithms can identify patterns and trends that would be impossible for humans to detect. Another area where AI is being used in finance is in algorithmic trading. This involves using AI algorithms to automatically execute trades based on predefined rules and parameters. Predictive analytics is another area where AI is being used in finance. This involves using statistical models and algorithms to predict future market trends and patterns. AI is being used in finance in a variety of ways, from high-frequency trading to portfolio management. The use of AI in finance is still a relatively new concept, but it's clear that it has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach investing. One example of AI in action is in the use of robo-advisors. These are online platforms that use AI algorithms to provide investment advice and portfolio management services. Another example is in the use of chatbots, which are being used by financial institutions to provide customer support and answer frequently asked questions. There are many real-world examples of AI being used in finance, from hedge funds to individual investors. One notable example is the use of AI by Renaissance Technologies, a hedge fund that relies heavily on AI algorithms to make investment decisions. Renaissance Technologies has been incredibly successful, with its flagship Medallion Fund returning over 35% per year on average since its inception. Another example is the use of AI by Sentient Investment Management, a hedge fund that uses AI algorithms to analyze millions of data points and identify profitable trades. Sentient has been incredibly successful, with its funds returning over 20% per year on average since their inception. AI is being used in finance in a variety of ways, from high-frequency trading to portfolio management. The use of AI in finance is still a relatively new concept, but it's clear that it has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach investing. In conclusion, AI is having a profound impact on the stock market, and its potential is only just being realized. By harnessing the power of AI, investors can gain a competitive edge in the market and achieve greater returns. AI is the future of finance, and it's clear that it's here to stay. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, the use of AI can help you make more informed investment decisions and ultimately achieve greater returns. So, what are your thoughts on AI in trading? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about financial technologies, be sure to check out our next video.